In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sheets in Smartsheet. This is the recommended fastest way to copy your work, and the same approach also works for reports and dashboards, so you can reuse your structure without rebuilding anything from scratch. Start by opening Smartsheet and heading to the left-hand navigation bar. From there, go to your workspace or the Sheets folder where your item lives. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Next, locate the specific sheet you want to copy. When you find it, right-click the sheet name. If you're on a device or view where right-click isn't available, click the three-dot menu next to the sheet name. In the menu that appears, choose Save as New. In some views, this may be labeled Duplicate, but the idea is the same. You're creating a fresh copy. Before we keep going, quick reminder. I've placed the official Smartsheet link at the very top of the description, so you can access it quickly, and if you prefer using the app, you'll find the download link there as well. Back to the copy process. You'll be prompted to enter a new name for your sheet. Pick something clear and specific so you can tell it apart from the original at a glance. A good tip is to include a date or use a naming convention your team already follows. Next, choose the destination folder or workspace where the new version should live. This keeps your environment tidy and ensures the right people can find it. Make sure you select the location you have access to, especially if you collaborate across departments. Now decide what to include in the copy. If you check data and formatting, Smartsheet will bring over your comments, attachments, cell links, and cross-references. This is perfect when you want a true replica of the original structure and context. If you prefer a clean slate, you can skip this option so the new sheet starts fresh. You can also include automated workflows and alerts. Turn this on if you want your new sheet to inherit the same automation rules, reminders, and alerts. If you're experimenting or don't want notifications going out yet, leave it off and enable it later once you're ready. When everything looks good, click Save. Smartsheet will create the duplicate in the location you selected, and you're done. That's it. You've quickly built a new version without rebuilding anything manually. If this was helpful, give it a like, check the link at the top of the description, and subscribe for more quick Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching.